Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part of my 3-day egg fast. This is day 2. I'm doing collaboration with Michelle at Life Adventures and Keto. I will link her YouTube channel up here and as well as down in the description. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I have done a 5-day egg fast before. If you would like to check out my 5-day egg fast series, I will link it up here. And I'm really glad that Michelle reached out to me so we could do this egg fast because I have been on basically vacation mode since my birthday. I celebrated my birthday in Costa Rica and I had so much fun, and I really did not stay low carb / keto. So it's time to get back and reset, and this 3-day egg fast is gonna do that for me. I completed egg fast day 1, today is egg fast day 2, and I'm really excited to participate in this collaboration just because, like I said, I wanted to reset. But not only that, it's because it's the weekend and it's easier for me to do these series just because I have more time to record, and also I didn't have to meal prep all week for lunch week. So this was perfect timing. Thank you so much, Michelle, for inviting me to do this 3-day egg fast. And without further ado, I am going to show you exactly what I eat. Bye guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I used to. I used to. I used to.
Hi guys, thanks so much for following my egg fast day 2. This ends my day, and I just want to thank you guys for following me on my egg fast. I'm really sorry for the lighting here, and yes, I already have my Christmas tree up. Christmas makes me happy, but I had a really long day. Not long, actually a fun day. Today was like a date with my 2 little nieces. They asked me to take them to watch Magnificent, so that's what we did. And then we went shopping, stayed out. I got them an early dinner, and you guys, the temptation was there. They wanted to get tacos. I sat there and watched them eat while I sipped on water, but it's all good because I really want to complete this egg fast. So anyways, thanks so much for coming along. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you comment. Let me know if you're liking this series. Bye guys.